Hey guys, have you or one of your family members been through a traumatic event or events that has led to issues processing those traumas? Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, is a common topic in our society. I have a special interest in sharing this information with my fellow military community. As the wife of a career soldier, I have a vested concern in sharing my knowledge as a mental health provider and an Army wife. Today, I want to introduce you to a few oils that will help you provide a safe, tranquil space for your active duty soldier, veteran, first responder, or newly diagnosed friend or family member. Stick around until the end and I'll share a download for my free Military Spouses Support ebook with specially curated diffuser blends and roll-ons that need to be part of your supportive role as you navigate the highs and lows. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. As a mental health professional, I've had a front row seat for many individuals struggling with the overwhelming feelings and physical sensations in the mind and body associated with a traumatic event that results in a post-traumatic stress disorder diagnosis. I share this information in hopes that it makes someone's life just a little bit easier. Watch my previous videos to learn more about the specifics of PTSD and what some typical symptoms are. Please note that I am not a doctor and I don't pretend to be one. Learning strategies and tools to help provide support, whether as a patient yourself or the caregiver, is definitely a necessary part of healing. I also recommend being actively involved in a therapy setting to help work through the trauma in a safe space. This is also a great setting to bring in your loved ones so that they can better understand what you're going through and how to help. Medication may also be advised or required, and that's totally fine if it helps you feel better. I always recommend involving your doctor and mental health professional so you can receive the best care possible. PTSD can present itself in 4 main types of symptoms: intrusive thoughts, avoidant behaviors, negative thoughts and mood, and altered arousal or overreactive. Each interruptive system aforementioned can be enough to truly hinder someone's ability to regulate their emotions, thoughts, and feelings. We'll go step by step and I'll share a few snippets of things that I think you might find very helpful. With intrusive thoughts, memories, nightmares, and flashbacks, you might feel like you are back in the moment or as if you are under attack or cornered. This can be pretty scary. Of course, you can employ the use of the top oils for military support, such as bergamot, frankincense, geranium, lavender, patchouli, vetiver, and ylang-ylang. All of these oils are incredibly gentle, grounding, and can help to bring the limbic system on board, which is a powerful way to get those thoughts back into the here and now. I also recommend rose essential oil because of the soothing effects on emotions. Lime essential oil is another honorable mention as it has a sweet, calming, and refreshing scent, as well as encouraging a balanced atmosphere. Stop the Spin diffuser blend: 1 drop cedarwood or sandalwood, 2 drops basil, and 2 drops bergamot. Slip into sleep roll-on blend: 1 drop marjoram, 2 drops frankincense, 2 drops wild orange, combined with a carrier oil in a 10 milliliter roller bottle. With avoidance of trauma-related minders, you may find yourself not being as consistent as you once were, or avoiding people, places, and things because of how overwhelmed you are with the reminders of your trauma. It can also create a sense of panic to stop the anxious feelings from taking over. So in turn, you just stop doing the things that make you you. Some standard essential oils that can be utilized for helping limit that feeling of avoidance are geranium, lavender, vetiver, and ylang-ylang. 3 of the 4 essential oils are flower oils and all provide a sweet floral aroma that can be very calming for the mind, body, and soul. Vetiver is a root oil. It's extremely grounding and great for sleep if that's ever an issue you face. Avoiding sleep can also be pretty common, but this creates increased issues with healing as the body needs rest to recover. An honorable mention for avoidance behaviors would be black pepper. This is an oil that mimics the effect of rose without the floral aroma. While its chemical makeup is very similar to rose, it packs a spicy punch that can help focus and engage the mind. Copaiba is another great oil for communicating well with our brains and promoting healthy inflammatory responses within the body. Do you have any tried and true ideas, techniques, or suggestions for dealing with difficult days? I know my subscribers would love to hear what has worked for you and your family. Try this diffuser blend when you notice an increase with avoidance behaviors. Accepting Peace Diffuser Blend. 1 drop copaiba, 2 drops lime, 3 drops geranium, and 3 drops juniper berry. You guys made it to the end. Click the link below and download my free Military Spouses Support ebook with specially curated diffuser blends and roll-ons that need to be part of your supportive role as you navigate all the highs and lows. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, you found her. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video.